squats, shoulder press. Everything's a workout. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Philip Ray YouTube channel. What's happening, guys? We're here back now for day 3 and episode 2. Welcome back. I feel like the first episode was good, started off great. However, we did spend a lot of time cleaning up the garage, cleaning up the back tool shed, cleaning up the side of the house. We filled up a skip bin, filled up multiple bins. You know, today and this episode is going to be not much different. If you have a Filipino mum, auntie, sister, relative, whatever, you would know that there is a massive culture of hoarding, and this is no different. We've got a stack of stuff that we're going to throw out today as well. We've got a brand new skip bin that I'll show you guys. It looks exactly like the old one. It's just empty, not very exciting. However, we're going to basically clean up some more, plan some more. We're going to go train at another gym, and hopefully day 4 we'll have some paint happening, at least some more equipment coming in. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode and enjoy the show. Oh, look at that brand new skip bin. So the old one's gone, and they've dropped off a brand new one. And when I say brand new, I mean it's old as, obviously, and it's nice and empty. Oh.
You have a jacket, Mom? It's cold. Just give me something. Oh, this is dirty. We're ready.
Ready for what? Ready for some action.
That's what they say.
So, where's Christian?
He's upstairs.
Okay, give us a rundown what we're going to do today, please.
Me?
Give us a rundown.
We're going to clear up the rest of this stuff.
Yep.
And put it in the skip bin.
Which skip bin? This one here?
The big ass bin there.
Brand new skip bin. Brand new second hand. Yep.
And then...
So all this stuff's going in that skip bin?
Yep. And then we're going to chuck this stuff out on the side as well.
Yep. Give it a big push, girl. Wow, look at this.
That's all the junk.
So all this stuff here is from the back tool shed, right? So we've moved it out here. And it's also from the other side of the house, correct?
Yes.
So we've moved stuff from one side of the house to the other side of the house. Can you please explain to the viewers the purpose of that?
I don't know.
There was no point.
To be honest.
There was no point. By the way, if you see me wearing this mask, it's not because I'm scared of getting sick with the COVID-19, something. It's because of all this dust and stuff. I don't want to breathe in the dust, so I get like allergies and sneezing and eyes watery. So this is what this is all about. And obviously going to wear some gloves, take my hands, and sit this down here so you guys can watch me fill up this bin. Okay, so we've spent some time clearing out more of this stuff. Not much to go. However, we're just going to take a short break and go for a little secret impromptu gym session at a hideaway gym location. We're going to take you guys with us. Look at this home gym setup. Christian's mates. Zod's gym in the garage. Full setup. Look at this. Benches, dumbbells, barbells, bumper plates, GHG machine, whatever you want to call it. Cardio. Proper flooring, whatever you want. Kettlebells, all set up. Ropes, Oh, let's get a good look at this. This is it, end of day 3, guys. Nice and clean. Look at that corner. We haven't seen this garage this clean since when, baby?
We haven't seen it clean since
95. We're carrying out some weird contraption. Look at that, beautiful. End of day 3, guys. Got to finish cleaning up, wiping things down, sweeping. Kind of give the walls a quick clean, because tomorrow we plan on grabbing some paint and starting the paint work on these walls. We'll see you guys tomorrow. So we've just rocked up to Bunnings and we found some gym flooring, 1 meter by 1 meter, 10 mil thick gym flooring.
I don't want to dirty it.
And it looks the goods, man. What do you reckon, Christian?
I like it.
You like it?
I like it, man.
Bebe?
Yeah.
What do you reckon? Good? There it is, home gym tile. Can you squat on this?
Brand new.
Can you do deadlifts on this?
Yes. Remember, I got the rubber bumper plate.
Give us a front double.
Probably at the beginning.
Christian, give us a front double buys. Thank you, that's good.
Yeah, you're gonna spend.
$32.
Gym flooring. Done.
Bunnings, baby.
Pop the boot, Christian. Yeah, look at this.
I didn't break anything, did I?
Nah, something popped, but sound like a light bulb. It sound like you ran over a light bulb.
Yeah.
What's happening, guys? Day 4, and my face is getting fatter and hairier. Last night was a success. We went off to Bunnings, as you saw, and we grabbed our hands on some black paint, some painting equipment, and we also, thank God, got some really cool gym flooring. Ideally, we wanted the 1 meter by 1 meter, 15 mil in thickness. However, simply not available. Can't get it anywhere. Sold out everywhere. But we did get some 10 mil thickness from Bunnings. And they had it all in stock, and they had plenty. So today's going to be a great day. Basically just cleaning up a little bit, mopping, wiping down the walls, and we're going to start painting and get the flooring all set up. So should be good. Stick around. Let's see what the bin status is like. Oh, we've still got a bit of space left in here. Cool. Still got a whole lot of crap around the side here that we're gonna have, luckily enough, next. Squats, shoulder press. Everything's a workout. Look at this here, this is what we got the flooring, what we got yesterday. 36 tiles at 10 mil, 1 meter by 1 meter. Low sheen, caviar black, Dulux paint. We've got 2 litres. The lady reckoned that was enough. And some utensils, equipment, paintings, so like plastic drop sheets, masking tape. Paint brushes, ready to go. Here we go, time to paint. happening, guys? Just finished up day 4 and we smashed out a stack of work. We finished cleaning up the whole wall section here that still had crap all over it, including those cupboards or shelvings that were here. There was like 3 shelves and an ugly ass cupboard. And then we also did the floors. Sorry, we did the walls first, finished painting the walls, got a nice 2 to 3 coats of this black caviar. It's called low sheen, beautiful, beautiful dark color. It's not like a pitch black, it's like a really, really dark gray, which is nice because it still shows a little bit of depth as opposed to looking just straight flat black. The floors, we put the floors in 1 by 1 tiling, the 1 by 1 meters, 10 mil that we got from Bunnings the other night, and put it all nice and tight as far as we could, as tight as we could. However, obviously the edges, we still have to kind of cut these spare pieces that we've got to fit into the sides. However, it is looking a million times better than it did when we first started. It would have to be a crazy, one of the craziest transformations of a garage I've seen, and we're not even there yet. We're barely halfway. Haven't got any of the equipment in there yet. Literally just an empty, clean black room, but it has made a hell of an improvement. But yeah, keen to see what the following weeks come about when we start getting some decent equipment in here. So I'm about to drill holes in the brick walls here, and Christian was like, "Have you done this before?" And I'm like, "Yeah, man, there's so many times. I've never done this before." Hadouken!